Hey everyone, I'm Mubin Tariq and welcome back to another interesting video. So this video is going to be so much interesting because as you guys know that many of the days ago I have uploaded a video on my YouTube channel about the giveaway. So yes, I'm going to give away this mouse. So as I have told you guys that now I am going to give away this mouse, and this is very high quality mouse which you can use for the graphic designing. By the way, this is not a sponsor, but I have personally bought this mouse for you guys. So now it's time to give away this mouse. This mouse is very useful for you to use in the Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. It is very easy to handling and comfortable. So let's say we unbox it. So I have told you the features of this mouse, that this is very high quality mouse and it will be very useful for you guys. So it's time to tell you guys that how you can win this mouse. So all you need to do is to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos, and also share this video with your friends and like this video and take a screenshot, then send me on my Facebook. My Facebook link is in the description of this video, and don't forget to comment below in this video because I will pick the winner from the comment section. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos, and please support this channel financially on Patreon. My Patreon link is in the description of this video. So goodbye.